gentlemen, another day, another Valley Slots video. Huff and more puff. Started with 200. I accidentally hit a button to already bet, so my fault, guys. We're gonna be at the 375 mark. Need 3 of those buzzsaws, 6 of those hats. Let's get a bonus. Let's get a mansion feature.
Yeah.
Let's get something. Let's get anything. 4 more? Nope. Oh, okay. Come on, come on. Oh. Come on, come. Oh, don't give me the first 4 and then nothing. That's not cool. That's not cool. We're on the penny bet, 375. Don't, no,
So
pick a lane. 5 hats, 2 of those, come on. 1 more. Ooh. Oh, almost had pig bunion, come on. Almost had pig bunion.
Pig bunion.
We love pig bunion's my favorite.
Makes me laugh every time I hear it.
And I love the accountant pig, but we've never actually got it. Oh, dude, we're mixed. I was talking about both of you.
Yeah.
You guys aren't friends. Stay away from each other.
They can be friends.
Accountants aren't friends with anybody. I know, I am one. Okay, guys, down about 90 here. Nothing happening too much so far here. Give it a few fast spins, change up the timing.
Okay.
It's her new favorite thing. Yeah, she loves it.
Ooh.
Okay. Okay, 1 more. Okay, and now let it go.
Are you sure?
Yes, just regular, please. Okay, dang it, stop it. Stop it. See if we can't change up the timing a little bit. Find a bonus. I'm on. Oh, 4, come on, guys. Going through this 200 real fast.
Way too fast.
Way too fast. Oh, mix. Come on, guys, pick a lane. Pick a lane. Okay, tape measures all the way across for $5. We need a lot more than that to get back into this. Good Lord. It's going fast, guys. We're not even sniffing a bonus right now. Should we go back down to 225 or just roll it out at 375?
Let's just mix it up a tiny bit.
Yeah. See if maybe the bonuses are hiding at 225.
Or maybe. No, never mind. I'll be good.
Yeah, thank you. Hey, accountant pig, 90 cents.
It's gonna be this next one.
Okay. Yep. Oh, wow, you have amazing powers.
Wow.
Nailed it. Incredible powers, everybody.
Maybe this
Okay.
next one.
Nope. Still the same. Oh.
I really thought it was there.
Guys, this hurts my heart.
It does.
Guys, I want to show you a bonus. I want to see a bonus. I would like to get paid from a bonus as well, seeing as 200 of these dollars. Man, we needed accountant pig in row 2, reel 2. Come on, getting scared.
Ooh.
Getting scared now.
Do we throw some more in?
This hurts.
Decisions.
This hurts. Come on. Come on, last
Come on.
spin bonus. Nothing. Oh, we're gonna play that wage saver, okay? And, oh, we got it. Okay. Now, last spin bonus.
Come on.
Do it.
Oh, wow.
Nothing.
That was
Brutal.
You sure?
Oh, that was almost amazing. All right, guys. Well, Huff and More Puff was Huff and More Tears today. 200 in, nothing to show you guys. Sorry. Well, thanks for watching, guys.